So in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to connect your Samsung Galaxy S23 to a hidden Wi-Fi network. Now currently, we do have a hidden Wi-Fi network around, and if it's hidden, you'll not see it in the list of available Wi-Fi networks. So to connect, go to Settings. On the main settings page, go to Connections, and then go to Wi-Fi. Okay. Now here, you should see a list of Wi-Fi networks you can connect to, like this one. This one I'm already connected to. This one is saying available because it's not hidden. Now there's another network called GT Sport that we're going to connect to, but that one is hidden, and so we can't see it here. So to connect to it, tap on Add Network, and then enter the name of that network, the SSID of that network. Now you have to know the name of that network and the password, and you have to put in the correct name of that particular network. If you misspell the name, then you'll not be able to connect. Okay, so that is the name of my network. I know it has a password. The most common password is this. Okay, so this is basically the password protocol, the security protocol. So you have different types of password. For most Wi-Fi networks, it's WPA/WPA2 personal or WPA/WPA2 enterprise. That's for most networks, unless you have other information. So let's go ahead now and put in the password of this Wi-Fi network. Like I said, you have to know the name of the network, which security protocol it's using, and also the password. And then let's try and tap on save to see what happens. And as you can see, the network is now available and we are connecting to it right now. And that's basically how to connect to a hidden Wi-Fi network on your Samsung Galaxy S23. Now I'm using the S23 Ultra, but this works on all the S23 phones. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.